Hello everyone. So we are in the day 111. So you can see as I have highlighted the point synthesis, modification and characterization of the selected photocatalyst. So we will continue the same. अभी मैं बताना चाहूँगी आपको कि कुछ पार्ट होता है आपके प्रोजेक्ट का जो बहुत लेंदी होता है, जो मेन सेंटर ऑफ पॉइंट होता है. तो जैसा मैंने केस स्टडी लिया है तो सिंथेसिस, मॉडिफिकेशन एंड कैरेक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द सेलेक्टेड फोटो कैटलिस्ट, ये लेंदी पॉइंट है जिसको हमें बहुत डिटेल्स में एक्सप्लेन करना है. तो वैसे ही आपके प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड आपका भी कोई सेंटर ऑफ पॉइंट होगा तो आप उसको इलैबोरेट करके डालना अपने स्लाइड्स में. नाउ कमिंग टू आवर टॉपिक, सो टुडे विल डिस्कस फ्यू पॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट वन जो आप देख रहे होंगे कि कैरेक्टराइजेशन, मेनली आई हैव included the graph. So first of all, formatting में अगर आप देखें तो मैंने पहले डोसेज में भी बताया था कि you have to use continued. अगर आपको एक से ज़्यादा स्लाइड चाहिए अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए तो जस्ट यूज़ continued, जैसे मैंने ब्रैकेट में मेंशन किया है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, शॉर्ट नोट आपको डालना है नोट्स करके, जैसा आप देख रहे होंगे कि जस्ट ऐड 1 point notes and write 1 or 2 sentences maximum in brief. So you have to explain your graph in 1 or 2 sentences. Rest of the graph concepts you have to explain by yourself. Okay, you don't have to write everything in the slide so that you can read and just the audience will listen. This will give a very bad impact. So include only 1 or 2 sentences in your slide. Okay, third point is your graph must be clear. It must be clear. Every point, every line should be clear. The captions should be clear. Okay, and the caption must be accurate according to the figure so that the audience can understand your concepts more easily. Now next point, that you have to write the caption of the figure or graph. We consider the graph as a figure only. You have to write figure. So the caption should be written below the figure. Next point, explain the graph very properly, very nicely and in an easy way, so that जिसको आइडिया नहीं भी होगा उसे भी इंटरेस्ट आए. तो आप ऐसा सोचना कि सामने वाले को कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, ऑडियंस को नॉलेज नहीं है, एंड यू हैव दैट नॉलेज बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट. तो आपको बेसिक से एक्सप्लेन करना है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट मस्ट बी प्रॉपरली described in a proper way. And the last point that I want to tell you, that you should include the major points of the graph in the slide. Suppose some data is there, as you can see in the next slide. Okay, in my third slide, that some data is there. So you have to write that data because range तो याद नहीं रहेगा audience को, तो just write some points, some major points, some range or some data. You can include that. Okay, this is allowed. But what I am trying to tell you that don't write everything and read it and the audience will listen, and this will be very boring thing. Okay, so most of the content should not be written in your slide. You have to explain that according to your knowledge in your words. Okay, whenever I deliver any dosage, so I do not write anything. I just want to talk with you all. I want that you should just learn from my experience. So nothing is written or nothing is planned. So sometimes I think that what I have to tell. So you have to just do that only. No worries if you have to stop and think for a fraction of second. It doesn't, don't worry about that. So just don't be nervous, just talk with the audience, just connect with the audience. Okay, make it like a group discussion, make two-way interaction, make it a two-way interaction. Okay, just mugging up and telling and being nervous, don't be nervous. You just think that they are your colleagues and you have to explain your project on which you are working, take the suggestions and improve your project. If you are thinking that no, they are not understanding the concept and they are giving you some wrong suggestion, or they are just misunderstanding the concept, so make it clear to them. Okay, so just do that. Okay, so till then, work hard. We'll meet in the next dosage. Thanks a lot.